guys, this is RIDDHIMA and welcome back to my video। और मैं बहुत दिनों से वीडियोस पोस्ट नहीं कर रही हूँ, तो आज मैं लेकर आई हूँ एक न्यू वीडियो। लेकिन आज के वीडियो में मैं ना ही डांस करने वाली हूँ और ना ही सिंगिंग करने वाली हूँ। आज मैं कुछ अलग करने वाली हूँ, यानी कि आज मैं करने वाली हूँ मेरा फर्स्ट व्लॉग। तो मैं जाने वाली हूँ IKEA। इफ़ यू डोंट नो, दिस इज़ द इट इज़ अ फर्नीचर स्टोर और ये इंडिया में सेकेंड स्टोर है, सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट स्टोर है। पहला हैदराबाद में खुला था और अभी सेकेंड जो है वो मुंबई में खुला है और आज मैं वहाँ पे जा रही हूँ। सो मैं शायद ज़्यादा सेक्शंस एक्सप्लोर ना कर पाऊँ, बस कुछ ही कर पाऊँ। सो लेट्स गो एंड लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द वीडियो। हम लोग अभी कार में और हमें मोमो कितना टाइम लगेगा? 10:47 पे पहुँचेंगे और अभी टाइम है 10:07। सो मतलब हम लोग को हाफ एन आवर लगे 1 आवर लगेगा। एंड यस, हम लोग अभी कार में, यहाँ पे मम्मा भी बैठी है।
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car.
So in Hyderabad, we need to ensure that we wrote the model numbers and everything else. But now we need to click the photo of the tag, and then we need to show it them down. So yeah.
been running around in circles for so long. I never really understood what I did wrong. I was trying hard to find a place where I belong. I lived an empty life, but had to carry on. I guess I really was giving up on love, and I tried to block those feelings off. Said I know in the middle of then it all came back when I thought that everything was lost. On a cold November night, when I met my Mrs. Right, made my feelings come to life again. When I thought I did.
Guys, हम लोगों ने बहुत सारी चीज़ें ली है. हमें यहाँ पे एक ट्रॉली मिली है जिसके अंदर हम लोग को चीज़ें रखनी है, और हम लोगों ने रखी भी है कुछ चीज़ें और रैंडम थिंग्स. इतने बड़े बड़े मेजर सोफ़ाज़ और इनकी बात नहीं कर रहे हम लोग छोटे छोटे जो चीज़ें डेकोरेटिव आइटम्स होते हैं उनको रखते हैं.
Watch as the moonlight creeps into the room. You're in the headlights. I wanna feel the way you do. Remember the summer? We chased the morning light. We ran for hours. You were always on my mind. We tried to make it out alive, but we let it slip away. If we only had a second shot, we'd find another way. If we could do it all over, you would get the best of me. It could be forever. I would never let you leave. It's not too late to make it as we planned, 'cause we still got a shot in the dark. You and I. Watch as the moonlight creeps into the room. You're in the headlights. I wanna feel the way you do. Remember the summer? We chased the morning light. We ran for hours. You were always on my mind. Try to make it out alive, but we let it slip away. If we only had a second shot, we'd find another way. If we could do it all over, you would get the best of me. Could be forever. I would never let you leave. It's not too late to make it as we planned, 'cause we still got a shot in the dark, you and I. Watch as the moonlight leaves us in the dark. It's all so clear now. It takes me back to the start. Remember the summer? We chased the
As I told you, we are in the waiting section, and we need a desk. I think it is a study table or a computer table for what we are waiting. And here are so many couches to wait, and we also ate some meals in the first floor. We got some Sweden kind of meals there. And now we are down. We got some Ikea. Here we got some minor things like these, like the table, chairs. We also got it up on the first level, but यहाँ पे भी हमको मिले थे. And all the light lamps, lighting section, desk section. I didn't show you, sorry, but because we were busy looking at there. We got like all the lightings and tables, mirrors, all the decorative thing, and like rugs and everything else like that. And my baby sister just had woke up. She actually was sleeping by now. अभी वो उठ चुकी है. एंड हम लोगों ने बिलिंग कर दिया, लेकिन अभी भी हमारा एक मिडिल टेबल बाकी है. इट्स एक्चुअली अ कॉफ़ी टेबल. सो उसका हम लोग वेट कर रहे हैं. एंड we are getting it after like some minutes, and that's why we are waiting. Our whole family, we like met after we landed over here, like after we came here. So yeah, we are waiting till now. I don't know, it has not came. Like here it is. Also the most lovable part was the Ikea ka bed section was also there. I saw you till the kitchen I showed you all till the kitchen section, and because after that this is more like Ikea is bigger than the 10 football fields, so I can't show you everything in one part. And I think after some days or some months I'll visit here again, and I will show you what are the things that apart from my room, because I'm also getting my room renovated. Like it is going to get more nice and more beautiful, so that's why. And till now we don't have any news if it is coming or not. And we just got I just ate some pizza slices and some coffee, and we also got some samosas which was actually funny. I got some coffee and some and some pizza slices. So we're still here waiting. There's it's going to take a lot of time, and after that I'm going to our house. So we came here like 10:47 or 45. Like we entered here till like on or around like 11 or 11, like around 11. And now the time is actually, what's the time? It's 4:45, so I also skipped my class for today. Today is Saturday and I have my classes of dance class every Sunday and Saturday. Yeah, I need to skip it for today. Alright guys, I need to wait for a long time. Let's wait.